In this video, we will compare Angular versus Svelte. Svelte and Angular are two modern front-end frameworks, however, they take drastically different approaches to building web applications. Angular, developed by Google, is a powerful full-fledged framework that uses TypeScript and provides an extensive set of features for two-way data binding, dependency injection, routing and state management. It's highly opinionated and works well for large-scale enterprise-level applications where scalability, maintainability, and robust tooling are key requirements. Angular is suited for complex data-driven apps where developers need a comprehensive solution that handles both front-end and back-end logic, often involving significant boilerplate and steering leap learning curve. On the other hand, Svelte is a newer, innovative framework that takes a radical different approach. Instead of running it in the browser like traditional format, Svelte shifts much of the work to compiling time. This means that Svelte converts your components into efficient, imperative code that directly manipulates the DOM, resulting in a small bundle size and faster performance. Unlike Angular, which relies on virtual DOM and runtime reactivity, Svelte updates the DOM directly, reflecting changes in your application, resulting in faster web page loading and less overhead. Svelte's simplicity and minimalism makes it a great choice for smaller projects. In summary, Angular is a feature-rich, opinionated framework suitable for large corporations, whereas Svelte, on the other hand, is a lightweight, focused on simplicity, performance and faster development cycles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.